Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Complex Numbers and Quadratic Equation Exercise 5.28 sum. Let's see the question. Convert complex number to polar form. We need to convert the given complex number to the polar form. Here the given complex number is I. So we are going to take let z is equal to, for every complex number we want a real part and an imaginary part. According to the question, there is only imaginary part I, there is no real part. In this case we need to write a real part, so I am taking the real part to be 0. We can't change the question, so if we add any number with 0, then there is no change in the question. So I am just adding for the real part to 0. So 0 plus I will be my complex number. I need to change this to the polar form. The polar form is always of r cos theta plus I r sin theta. I need to change it to this form. For that we are going to write let the given complex number is equal to r cos theta plus I r sin theta. Here we need to find the r and also the theta to substitute and to finalize the polar form of the given complex number. Now we know that this is the real part in the equation and this is the imaginary part. For that we are going to equate the real part to the real one and the imaginary part to the imaginary part. For that, if we write it separately, we get r cos theta equal to 0, I r sin theta equal to I. Here I gets cancelled and we have r sin theta equal to 1. If it get cancelled, then we have the value 1 there. Now we are going to take equation 1 and equation 2. We are going to square both the equation and we are going to add it. So squaring and adding equation 1 and 2. If I square and add, here it becomes r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. This becomes 0 plus 1 square will become 1. If I take r square common outside, I get cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. This becomes 1, so my r square will be equal to 1. Taking square to that side becomes root, so root 1 will also be 1. So my r value will be equal to 1. We have found the r value. We need to find the theta value. It is not just the theta value. We are going to substitute there. I'll tell it later. First we need to find the theta value. Here we know the formula that tan theta equal to modulus b by a. So we want tan theta. Here tan theta, to find there is no tan theta, only sin and cos are there. So I am going to divide the second equation by the first equation. If I divide sin by cos, I will get tan. So to get tan, I am going to divide second equation with the first one. So here it becomes r sin theta LHS by LHS. So r cos theta is equal to 1 by 0. Here r get cancelled. This becomes, it will be in modulus. This will become tan theta. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is nothing but not defined. So we know that in tan 90 it is not defined. Tan 90 is not defined. Since it is not defined, we can write this to be tan 90, that is pi by 2. Pi by 2 is our 90. Equating the degrees, we get theta equal to pi by 2. We have found the theta. We can't substitute this theta in the cos theta and sin theta. We need to find the argument z, that we need to substitute over there. For that we need to find which quadrant it lies. The given complex number lies in which quadrant. Here it is 0 plus I, both are positive. As both are positive, it lies in the first quadrant, because in the first quadrant x-axis is also positive, y-axis is also positive. So if both are positive, it lies in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant it is only theta. 0 plus theta, we can write that to be theta. We need to confirm it as the real part and the imaginary part are positive. It it lies in the first quadrant. It lies mean the point lies in the first quadrant. We have found it lies in the first quadrant. So we know that argument z is equal to theta. The value of here is theta, and theta we found that to be pi by 2. Now you can substitute the theta value here in the polar form. So we know that the polar form z is equal to 0 plus I, that is nothing but r cos theta plus I r sin theta. Taking r common, we get cos theta plus I sin theta. Now we can substitute the value. We know that r is equal to 1. So writing 1 or leaving 1, both are same. So here it is cos theta value is pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 is the required polar form for the given complex number I. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.